Hey guys, Kevin Cage back with another cryptocurrency update. Welcome to the channel. Like and sub if you like what you see, and let's get right into the information today. One take and uncut. So guys, many people believe the crypto bull market is upon us. As we see on coinpaprika.com, I do like their metrics. So just a price overview of the last 7 days, guys. Bitcoin up 7%, big deal. But again, we broke that $10,000 mark. This was a huge psychological resistance that we had to get through. Ethereum is doing quite nicely, 30% up. XRP lagging as always, 8% up. Now, keep in mind, I believe it is the last to move, but also the fastest when it does keep up. So hopefully we will see some, price accommodation in the future. We got BNB. Tezos has been killing it, nearly 70% up. We got ADA has been making nice gains in the past, 2 to 3 weeks. We got Stellar, XLM. Chainlink's been killing it, 40% as always. Holding Chainlink is really fun just because of the price action. It, rewards you, gives you that little dopamine hit a bit more. Even BAT token recently. VeChain, of course, we've had a few nice run-ups and retracements. And then HBAR, for those of you that have held, I have bought at a lowered price, so I'm, happy with that return. Obviously with IOTA, the Tangle, we got, Hedera Hashgraph with Hashgraph, all kinds of interesting things. Wouldn't surprise me to see Quant, QNT pop off next, just because of their connections with, the, 500 plus banks as well, and over Ledger, as we, I've gone over in the past. But guys, keep in mind, anything can happen. I know some traders that are ready to short Bitcoin. If they say Bitcoin doesn't really, pop off shortly, we could see another downtrend. But to me, I'm ready to get the show on the road. I am ready to see, break and hold 30 cents like we've already broken it and get past that 34-cent resistance. Now, what I found interesting, Lud XRP just sharing this. This is, again, the other fractal. Do not invest based off this, but I do want to share this for fun. So as we see Green Fractal of 2017, and based off of this next jump that he's just doing his best at time, nothing's guaranteed and nothing always repeats exactly. But, we're right around here, 30-cent range. And he's saying by February 13th, if it follows the fractal, even he's not guaranteeing it, keep that in mind, we should at least see that we could pop off past this, hopefully get closer to that 33-cent mark. And then shortly after, within, days, because these candles are days, hopefully pass this resistance and pop over that 40-cent range. I would absolutely love to see that. And nothing, we can't rule anything out. All right, next, Peter Voss just sharing this. So BitPay bringing Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BCH, Bitcoin Cash payments to 100,000 retailers. XRP mysteriously missing. So as always, guys, we are typically used to this, of course, fourth largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Again, Bitcoin, and just skipping the third, XRP. They can, obviously use to pay using a simple scan of a QR code. Typical, easy on-ramps, helping people, growth opportunity, milestones, blah, 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 faster payments, more secure, less expensive for people and businesses. Same narrative and benefits of all cryptocurrency as a whole, but let's keep an eye on this. Some people have their own means and motives, but obviously XRP is after a much bigger market, and we already know who is most capable to handle the payments problem. All right, next, Thalrathar, we don't have to watch this video or anything, but again, people often forget XRP is not just solely a bridge asset, but the XRP ledger within itself comprises of a native DEX, a decentralized exchange within, with multiple functionalities as well. So again, xrpl.org, you guys can learn about the XRP ledger, the decentralized exchange, the offers, auto bridging, tick size, you name it, you can read about consensus to get a better grasp of that. You can get IOUs and issued currencies on the ledger, payment types, payment channels, on and off chain. You can really just kind of learn and go through this. So I highly recommend doing your own research as well. And that is something that really does make the overall XRP ledger superior. Some people don't really consider it blockchain because it truly is just, ledgers rather than, Bitcoin proof of work. And I think that is a phenomenal strength. Next, XRP Crypto Wolf. So we got Ripple, again with the Spring Dev Group, invested in Kava Labs last year because of its Interledger project with ILP that facilitates cross-chain trades for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. Now, if you guys want to check this out, highly recommend using XRP Crypto Wolf's, link down below just to support him as always for his great research. Again, BitDrew, for an example, is an exchange, and I see that we'll see many other exchanges follow suit eventually, are adding Kava so you can buy and trade it. All right. So just to give you guys an overview, Kava is all about CDP, collateralized debt positions, okay? It's all about DeFi. This is where the big money lies, and Kava.io is one of the big groups that I keep my eye on. Now, I know Brad Kimes talks about them a lot extensively, so, I'd recommend his channel if you want to learn more about them as well, but I absolutely am aware of them. I know what's going on. I've watched interviews, and I always watch, because I think CDPs, collateralized, debt positions, are a great way to potentially take profits if XRP moons in the future. So they do have a few, cryptos available: Bitcoin, Atom, XRP, BNB. Talking about leverage stability, the website. Of course, here's, something you can learn about the DeFi platform itself: multi-collateral debt positions, self-issued loans, creates a stable coin, and then the process overall right here is just a quick review. So basically, with CDPs, you can, deposit the crypto. So through a web portal, the user connects their wallet, whether it's, Ledger, Trezor, however you want to say that wallet name, and then sends the Bitcoin to the Kava platform. Then this Bitcoin, or the cryptocurrency that you want to, get a CDP on, is locked up as collateral in a collateralized debt position. It then creates a stablecoin. The user withdraws a stablecoin loan from the system based on their CDP value. Then the user can repay the debt plus a stability fee to unlock their collateral at any time. Next, like a margin call, for those of you that do any types of margin trading, Forex trading, you name it, the CDP option. So like a margin call, the system automatically liquidates the collateral if the debt to collateral value drops below a specified threshold. So this is very important to know your stuff before you're taking out any position in the future. But it's a great way to get around and not have to pay the massive taxes in the future. And as well, if you want tax-free withdrawals in the future with any type of cryptocurrency, guys, check the links in the description for the tax-free IRA. Highly recommend even a portion of that. All right, and then crypto returned. Once the debt is repaid, the system burns the stablecoin and the user is returned their collateral. Now, the idea with XRP is that once it really gets moving, it is utilized, the burn rate, things of that magnitude, it is going to continue to go up and up and up as the supply is dwindling. Some gets lost and the value increases. That is great if you do, take out a collateralized debt position, because then your value, your loan, everything is going to be increasing, your purchasing power, everything. So you'll have a lot more space. You're not going to, worry about a margin call, things of that nature. So this is something a lot of people ask me about. And to be honest, I think we're still a little early, guys. I mean, my XRP, it's not valued at $10. It's not $100. It's not $1,000 per token. I'm not really looking to spend it. We're just getting started. And keep in mind, price change could happen overnight, but you do have to look into your options. So if you guys have other options, I know Nexo, Kava, there's a few other groups. So comment down below anything that I should check out that I haven't seen already. But I mean, I'm telling you, I feel like I have a very good grasp of, what's available so far, and we are waiting on regulations as well. So guys, with that, check the links in the description for any types of t-shirts as well. I've included Tezos, Chainlink, VETS, VeChain, and ADA, Cardano. So feel free to support the crypto store if you guys want to get some merch or coffee mugs or posters. And with that, I appreciate it as always, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks.